Welcome, future negotiators. Today we dive deep into the world of price negotiation, a realm where strategy meets psychology and where Salesforce becomes the bridge between companies and their customers. Our journey begins with understanding the pivotal role of the Salesforce. Picture this, a marketplace where every buyer has a unique need and every seller has a unique offer. The salesperson stands at the crossroads, balancing the interests of both. But this isn't a simple task. It requires a blend of skills, negotiation tactics, strategies, maneuvers, and impeccable communication skills. Recent trends paint an interesting picture. On platforms like the Chinese Taobao, a staggering 80% of cell phone sellers are open to price negotiation. The art of haggling isn't limited to online platforms. Think about the last time you bought a second-hand car or something else. Chances are that you negotiated, and there is a high likelihood you secured a better deal than one initially offered. But what drives this negotiation? At its core is the salesperson acting as a boundary spanner. They don't just represent the company. They also advocate for the customer. It is a delicate balance, ensuring both parties feel they are getting a fair deal. Now, let's dive deeper. How much autonomy should a salesperson have in setting the prices? It is a question many businesses grapple with. Should they have full control, limited power, or should every price change be vetted by the management team? Many questions here. While giving salespeople full pricing authority may seem like a good idea, it's not without its challenges. They are in the best position to gauge a customer's willingness to pay, but unchecked power can lead to pitfalls. The key lies in aligning the salesperson's incentives with the company's objectives. Research has shown that while pricing delegation can be profitable, there is a fine line. Too much autonomy can lead to complacency, with salespeople playing it safe just to secure a deal. On the other hand, too little autonomy can stifle their ability to cater to high-value customers. To truly master price negotiations, one must understand the buyer. Scholars introduce us to 4 distinct buyer types: price buyers, value buyers, relationship buyers, and convenience buyers. Each comes with its unique set of motivations and challenges. Price buyers are laser-focused on cost. Value buyers seek the best bang for their buck. Relationship buyers value trust and consistency, and convenience buyers prioritize ease and simplicity. For salespeople, the challenge is twofold: identifying the buyer type and tailoring their approach accordingly. It is a dance, one that requires finesse, strategy, and a deep understanding of human behavior. Overall, price negotiation is more than just numbers. It is about understanding, adapting, and building relationships with customers. It is an art, one that you, as future negotiators, are well on the way of mastering. Let's deep dive into the world of price buyers. These are the individuals and entities that approach the market with laser-focused precisions on one thing: the price. Picture this. A buyer enters the marketplace, their mind already made up. They know exactly what they want, and they've chosen their providers based on the price tag. They're not here to haggle over any added features or benefits. Their commitment is often in writing, a testament to their unwavering stance on price. You might wonder, who are these price buyers? They are often the larger businesses, governments, and governmental entities, and those who hold significant purchasing power. Their singular emphasis on price can be a daunting challenge for sellers. For sellers, this presents a unique conundrum. How do you negotiate with somebody who sees no value beyond the price? Some sellers try to redirect the conversation, highlighting the value of their product, hoping to justify the price. But this strategy often hits a wall. Most price buyers are steadfast in their approach, rarely converting to value buyers. Successful businesses have found a way around this. They employ a strategy known as selective participation. It is a careful evaluation of both short-term gains and long-term implications. Let's take the case of General Motors, classic price buyer. They were offered a 15% discount by an electric commodity supplier, but only on older technologies. When a groundbreaking technology emerged, GM was left behind, as the supplier feared their aggressive negotiation tactics. They didn't want to engage with GM altogether. This brings us to a crucial point. Engaging with price buyers can be risky. They hold significant market share, and losing them can be daunting. But focusing only on them can mean missing out on other profitable segments of the market. Some sellers, in a bid to woo price buyers, offer more than what is paid for, hoping that once these buyers experience the added benefits, they will be willing to pay more in subsequent transactions in the future. But here's the twist. This rarely works. Price buyers often continue their hard-nosed negotiation tactics, seeking even better deals. Overall, negotiating with price buyers is a delicate dance. It requires strategy, understanding, and sometimes the courage to walk away. As sellers, it's essential to recognize the nuances of different buyer types and tailor your approach accordingly. The intricacies of negotiating with value buyers. We can explore these. Let's explore the world of value buyers. These are the individuals who tread the middle path, neither seeking the pinnacle of quality nor the depths of the lowest price. Imagine a buyer meticulously examining a product, assessing its features, and pondering its price. They're not swayed by the flashy advertisements or deep discounts. Instead, they're on a quest for genuine value. Their decisions are well-informed, aiming to get the most bang for their buck. Value buyers have a unique characteristic. They're open to innovation. They're willing to try new products and services. But there is a catch to this as well. These products must promise and deliver tangible economic value. This openness is a golden opportunity for sellers. It is a chance to showcase how their offerings stand out from the competition. However, this opportunity comes with a set of challenges. Sellers must discern when a discount might seal the deal or when the buyer needs more education about the product's value or latest features. It's not just about the product's features, it's about painting a compelling picture of its benefits. It's worth noting that value buyers are astute. They have a keen availability to discern genuine value, making them a price segment for businesses. Their loyalty, however, is hard-won. They are constantly evaluating alternatives, and their allegiance can shift if a competitor offers similar value at a lower price. So, how should sellers approach these discerning buyers? The key lies in capturing the unique value of each transaction. Sales teams must employ a blend of value-based selling techniques and sharp negotiation skills. And here is the golden rule. Never offer a price concession to a value buyer without getting something in return. Overall, negotiating with value buyers is similar to a well-thought-of dance that requires finesse, understanding, and a keen sense of timing. As you venture into the marketplace, remember to focus on delivering genuine value, and you will find a willing partner in the value buyers. Understanding relationship and convenience buyers. In the vast marketplace, two distinct types of buyers stand out: relationship buyers and convenience buyers. So let's delve into their unique characteristics and how to effectively negotiate with each one of them. First, we have the relationship buyers. They're often referred to as brand buyers. For them, trust is paramount. Imagine a buyer who values consistency and reliability. They gravitate towards brands that they have heard of, they are familiar with, and they have positive experience with, avoiding the risks of the unknown sellers. Their loyalty is driven by trust in proven products and a commitment to long-standing partnerships. When negotiating with relationship buyers, the atmosphere is generally congenial. They are not aggressively chasing the lowest price. Instead, they value intangibles like expertise and dependable service. For suppliers, it's crucial to emphasize their commitment to meeting times and meeting all needs that may influence future performance. However, even these loyal buyers might reject an offer. It could be due to discovering a better deal elsewhere or feeling that the supplier hasn't met their expectations. In such cases, the negotiation should focus on understanding the root cause and finding mutually beneficial solutions. Negotiating with convenience buyers is what we discuss next. We have the convenience buyers. These individuals prioritize ease and accessibility. Picture a buyer who doesn't want to spend time comparing prices. They will buy from the most convenient seller, even if it means paying a premium, a little bit extra. For them, time is of the essence, and they're willing to pay for that convenience. Interestingly, convenience buyers require minimal negotiation. They're not haggling over every penny. They're looking for a hassle-free transaction. In conclusion, successful sales negotiators need to recognize and adapt to the diverse preferences of different buyer groups. Whether it's advocating for the seller's value proposition or understanding the customer's unique needs, the sales force plays a pivotal role in bridging that gap. As we navigate the complex world of sales and negotiations, understanding the nuances of relationship and convenience buyers can make all the difference. Here is to successful negotiations and building lasting relationships. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, click the like button or consider subscribing to the channel. There will be more educational videos coming soon, so it would be very nice to have you around. Until next time, peace out.